everyone! Welcome back to Spanish Buddy. I'm Sophia, and we're so happy you're here learning Spanish with us today.
And I'm Carlos. Whether you're studying Spanish for travel, work, school, or just for fun, you're in the right place.
Today's lesson is super practical because we're talking about family in Spanish. Honestly, family conversations happen all the time in real life.
Exactly. When you meet someone new in Spanish, one of the first topics usually comes up naturally is family. People ask things like, do you have brothers or sisters, or are you married, or how many people are in your family?
And sometimes learners know vocabulary words like madre or padre, but then freeze when they try to make full sentences.
We've all been there. I remember one learner who accidentally introduced his cousin as his grandfather because he mixed up primo and abuelo.
That would definitely confuse people.
A little bit, yes.
But don't worry, because by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce your family naturally, ask questions about other people's families, describe relationships, and even have small, real-life conversations in Spanish.
We'll also help you sound more natural and less like a textbook.
And we'll practice pronunciation together so you feel more confident speaking out loud.
So here's a question for you guys. Have you ever tried talking about your family in Spanish in a real conversation?
Maybe while traveling, texting a friend, or meeting Spanish speakers online?
Tell us in the comments because we love hearing your stories.
And if you enjoy these lessons, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Spanish Buddy so you never miss a new episode.
We post practical Spanish lessons designed for real conversations, not just grammar exercises.
All right, let's get started with some essential Spanish.
Let's jump right in.
Let's start simple.
Madre means mother.
Padre means father.
Hermano means brother.
Hermana means sister.
Abuelo means grandfather.
Abuela means grandmother.
And familia means family.
Notice that many Spanish family words sound a little similar to English.
Yes, but pronunciation matters a lot.
For example, familia sounds like familia.
Repeat after me. Familia.
Great. Now try this sentence.
Mi familia es grande. My family is big.
Repeat after me slowly.
Mi familia es grande.
Excellent.
Now let's build easy sentences.
In Spanish, a very common structure is
Subject plus verb plus description.
For example,
Tengo dos hermanos. I have two brothers.
tengo means I have.
Repeat after me.
Tengo dos hermanos.
Another example.
Tengo una hermana. I have one sister.
Notice una because hermana is feminine.
This is very common in Spanish. Words can be masculine or feminine.
Let's practice a question.
¿Tienes hermanos? Do you have siblings?
Pronunciation help. Tienes sounds like tienes.
Repeat after me.
¿Tienes hermanos?
Now answer.
Sí, tengo hermanos. Yes, I have siblings.
Or,
No, no tengo hermanos. No, I don't have siblings.
that negative form is super useful.
In Spanish, negatives are often simple.
Just add no before the verb.
No tengo hermanos.
No tengo hijos. I don't have children.
No estoy casado. I'm not married.
Let's do a quick speaking challenge.
Can you say this in Spanish?
I have one brother.
The answer is,
Tengo un hermano.
great job.
Now try this one.
My grandmother is very funny.
Mi abuela es muy divertida.
Divertida means funny or fun.
Repeat after me.
Mi abuela es muy divertida.
Here's another really natural phrase.
Somos una familia pequeña. We're a small family.
Somos means we are.
Repeat after me.
Somos una familia pequeña.
Pequeña means small.
Pronunciation tip. The ñ sounds like ña.
Pequeña.
Nice.
Let's imagine a real-life conversation.
Maybe you meet someone while traveling.
They ask,
¿Tienes hermanos o hermanas? Do you have brothers or sisters?
you answer,
Sí, tengo una hermana y un hermano.
or maybe,
No, soy hijo único. No, I'm an only child.
repeat after me.
Soy hijo único.
If you're female, you'd say,
Soy hija única.
very important difference.
Let's do one more mini practice.
Say this out loud.
My father is tall.
Mi padre es alto.
My mother is very kind.
Mi madre es muy amable.
Excellent.
The key today is speaking, not memorizing perfectly.
Don't be afraid to pause the video and repeat sentences multiple times.
The more you say them out loud, the more natural they'll feel.
All right, quick summary.
Today we learned basic family vocabulary, simple sentence patterns, and how to ask and answer family questions naturally.
Now let's move into real-life conversations.
This is where Spanish starts feeling real.
Okay, now let's connect these family phrases to everyday situations.
Because in real life, people don't just say vocabulary words, they have conversations.
Exactly. So imagine you're meeting new friends in a cafe in Mexico or Spain.
Someone might ask,
¿Cómo es tu familia? What is your family like?
a natural answer could be,
Mi familia es muy unida. My family is very close.
unida means united or close-knit.
Repeat after me.
Mi familia es muy unida.
Here's another natural sentence.
Vivo con mis padres. I live with my parents.
Padres can mean parents together.
Super common word.
Let's do a short conversation.
Hola, ¿tienes hermanos?
Sí, tengo dos hermanas menores.
Ah, qué bien. Yo tengo un hermano mayor.
Menores means younger.
Mayor means older.
These words are used constantly in family conversations.
Repeat after me.
Hermano mayor.
Hermana menor.
Great.
Now let's compare formal and informal Spanish.
Informal is used with friends or people your age.
Formal is more polite.
Informal,
¿Cómo está tu familia?
formal.
¿Cómo está su familia?
Notice tu changes to su.
Native speakers use informal Spanish most of the time with friends.
But if you're talking to an older person, formal Spanish sounds respectful.
Let's talk about textbook Spanish versus natural Spanish.
Textbooks sometimes teach long, perfect sentences.
But native speakers usually speak more casually.
For example, instead of,
Mi familia consiste en 5 personas.
most people simply say,
Somos 5 en mi familia. There are 5 people in my family.
much more natural.
Here's another real-life situation.
Maybe someone shows you a family photo.
You can say,
Qué bonita familia. What a beautiful family.
repeat after me.
Qué bonita familia.
Pronunciation tip. Que sounds like keg.
Let's do a mini practice activity.
I'll say the English sentence and you try to say it in Spanish.
I live with my grandmother.
Vivo con mi abuela.
My brother is younger.
Mi hermano es menor.
Nice work.
Here are 3 quick tips for sounding more natural.
First, don't translate word for word from English.
Second, keep your sentences simple.
Third, focus on pronunciation and confidence.
Native speakers understand simple Spanish much better than complicated broken Spanish.
That's such an important point.
Also remember that real conversations are fast.
So, listening practice matters too.
Let's hear another short dialogue.
¿Tienes hijos?
Sí, tengo una hija pequeña.
¿Cuántos años tiene?
Tiene 5 años.
¿Cuántos años tiene means how old is she?
Repeat after me.
¿Cuántos años tiene?
Excellent.
We'd love to hear your own examples too.
Try writing one sentence about your family in Spanish in the comments.
Even a simple sentence is great practice.
Before we continue, let's review some important expressions.
Mi familia es grande.
Vivo con mis padres.
Tengo dos hermanos.
Qué bonita familia.
Perfect.
Now, let's move into even more natural daily Spanish.
All right, now we're going deeper into daily Spanish conversations.
This is the kind of Spanish you hear in restaurants, on WhatsApp, while traveling, or meeting people casually.
Let's imagine you're introducing yourself.
Hola, me llamo Carlos y soy de México. Tengo una familia muy grande.
Me llamo means my name is.
Repeat after me.
Me llamo Carlos.
Now, let's imagine you're texting a new friend.
Native speakers often shorten things and speak casually.
For example,
Mi mamá está bien. My mom is doing well.
instead of always saying madre, many people say mamá.
Same with papá instead of padre.
More natural in daily conversation.
Let's practice pronunciation slowly.
Mamá,
Papá,
abuela.
abuelo.
Great.
Now imagine you're ordering coffee and chatting with someone.
They ask,
¿De dónde es tu familia? Where is your family from?
you answer,
Mi familia es de Colombia.
or
Mi familia vive en Argentina.
vive means lives.
Repeat after me.
Mi familia vive en Argentina.
Here's a politeness tip.
In Spanish-speaking cultures, asking about family is usually friendly and normal.
So don't be surprised if people ask personal questions sooner than in English-speaking cultures.
Exactly.
Let's do a quick mini conversation.
Hola, ¿tienes hermanos?
Sí, tengo dos hermanos y una hermana.
¿Viven cerca de ti?
Sí, vivimos en la misma ciudad.
La misma ciudad means the same city.
Repeat after me.
Vivimos en la misma ciudad.
Excellent.
Now let's practice tone and pronunciation.
Spanish sounds smoother when words connect naturally.
Instead of saying every word separately, try flowing naturally.
Mi familia es grande.
Not mi familia es grande.
Exactly. Let's practice slowly first.
Tengo una hermana mayor.
Now a little faster.
Tengo una hermana mayor.
Nice.
Here's another useful phrase.
Nos llevamos bien. We get along well.
This is super common.
Repeat after me.
Nos llevamos bien.
Now imagine this WhatsApp conversation.
¿Cómo está tu mamá?
Está muy bien, gracias.
¿Y tu hermano?
También está bien.
Very natural and simple.
You don't need huge, complicated sentences to communicate.
Confidence and clarity matter more.
Let's do a listening style practice.
I'll say the Spanish sentence.
You try to understand before I translate.
Mi abuela cocina muy bien.
That means my grandmother cooks very well.
Another one.
Tengo una familia muy divertida.
I have a very fun family.
Great job if you understood that.
And if not, don't worry. Listening gets easier with practice.
All right, quick structural review.
We practiced introductions, casual family conversations, pronunciation flow, and natural daily Spanish expressions.
Now let's talk about mistakes learners commonly make.
Because everybody makes them.
Honestly, mistakes are part of learning Spanish.
Absolutely. Even advanced learners mix things up sometimes.
One very common mistake is direct translation from English.
For example, learners sometimes say, Estoy 30 años.
That's incorrect. The correct version is,
Tengo 30 años. I am 30 years old.
in Spanish, you have years instead of being years,
Another common mistake is pronunciation.
especially with the letter R.
For example, perro versus perro. Perro means but.
Perro means dog.
Big difference.
Another family mistake happens with gender.
Learners might say,
Mi hermano es bonita.
wrong.
Correct?
Mi hermano es bonito.
Because hermano is masculine.
Meanwhile,
Mi hermana es bonita.
feminine.
Another funny mistake is mixing formal and informal Spanish.
Like saying, ¿Cómo estás usted?
That mixes two forms together.
Correct informal,
¿Cómo estás? Correct formal.
¿Cómo está usted?
This happens because English doesn't separate formal and informal you the same way.
Exactly.
Here's another pronunciation correction.
Hijos is not hijos.
It sounds more like hijos.
Repeat after me.
Hijos.
Excellent.
Sometimes learners also overcomplicate sentences.
Instead of trying huge grammar structures, keep it simple.
For example,
Tengo dos hermanos.
simple and natural.
Native speakers say simple things all the time.
Here's a humorous example,
One learner wanted to say, my family is very calm.
but accidentally said,
Mi familia está muerta.
which means my family is dead.
Definitely not the same thing.
That's why pronunciation and vocabulary both matter.
Let's do quick corrections together.
Repeat the correct sentence.
Tengo una hermana.
Mi madre es amable.
¿Cómo está tu familia?
Great job.
And remember, mistakes are normal.
Nobody speaks perfectly at the beginning.
The important thing is communication and confidence.
Speak often, repeat phrases, and don't be embarrassed.
Every conversation helps you improve.
All right, let's test your Spanish with a quick interactive practice.
Let's do it.
Situation number 1.
You want to say, I have two sisters.
Option A.
Tengo dos hermanas.
Option B.
Soy dos hermanas.
The correct answer is A.
Because tengo means I have.
Repeat after me.
Tengo dos hermanas.
Situation 2.
You're speaking to a friend casually.
Which sounds more natural?
¿Cómo está usted?
Or,
¿Cómo estás?
correct answer?
¿Cómo estás?
Because it's informal and friendly.
Situation 3.
You want to say, my parents live in Madrid.
Option A.
Mis padres viven en Madrid.
Option B.
Mis padres vive en Madrid.
Correct answer is A.
Because padres is plural.
Repeat after me.
Mis padres viven en Madrid.
Nice.
Situation 4.
Which sounds more natural?
Mi madre.
Or,
Mi mamá.
both are correct.
But mamá sounds more casual and conversational.
Native speakers often use it daily.
Situation 5.
How do you say, we get along well?
Option A.
Nos llevamos bien.
Option B.
Somos bien.
Correct answer?
Nos llevamos bien.
Great work.
Keep speaking out loud while practicing.
Your mouth and ears need training too, not just your brain.
Pronunciation reminder.
Familia sounds like familia.
Hermano sounds like hermano.
Excellent.
Now we challenge you to create your own sentence about your family.
Even something simple like,
Tengo una hermana.
or,
Mi familia vive en Perú.
the more personal the sentence is, the easier it is to remember.
And remember, focus on communication, not perfection.
All right, everyone, let's wrap up today's lesson.
We covered a lot of useful real-life Spanish today.
We learned important family vocabulary, natural conversation phrases, pronunciation tips, and common mistakes to avoid.
We also practiced asking questions, introducing family members, and sounding more natural in daily Spanish conversations.
Most importantly, we practice speaking with confidence.
Remember, fluency doesn't happen overnight.
But every sentence you say out loud makes you stronger in Spanish.
Even small daily practice helps a lot.
So after this video, try introducing your family in Spanish for 1 full minute.
You'll probably know more than you think.
And don't worry about sounding perfect.
Native speakers appreciate effort and communication.
Before we go, we want to hear from you.
What Spanish topic should we cover next on Spanish Buddy?
Maybe travel Spanish, texting slang, restaurant conversations, or Spanish for beginners.
Tell us in the comments.
And if this lesson helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Spanish Buddy.
It really helps support the channel and lets us create more lessons for you guys.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep speaking Spanish every day.
You're doing great.
See you next time.